In the last video, I mentioned that the zeros of a function are not necessarily integers. They may be decimals, fractions. So to approximate those zeros, you have to analyze the signs of the function values. And when two function values have different signs, a zero is going to lie between those x values. So let's look at this one. F of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 1. And I have graphed that for you right here. All right. As you notice, this is not on the 0, and this is not at the -4. Actually, this is between -4 and -3, and this is between -1 and 0. Okay, so you got your graph, you're looking at that. So when two functions have different signs, a 0 lies between the x values. What you're going to do is take numbers between -4 and -3, for instance, right here, and use a calculator and plug them in. Now, to save a whole lot of time, I went ahead and gave you 4 of them, -3.9 through -3.6. Plug the numbers in with a calculator. Plug the -3.9 in here, squared it, added it to 4 times -3.9, and then added 1, and these are the numbers I got. And what you're looking at is where it is changing from a positive to a negative. So there's a change in signs right here. Now let's do the same thing for this. We have between -1 and 0, I tried -0.4, -0.3, -0.2, -0.1. Plugged them into this function here and got these. And what I'm looking for is where it went from negative to positive, So the change in the signs is going to indicate the function value closest to the 0 will correspond to the best approximation. So between these two right here, the -0.11 is closer to the 0 than 0.24. So this one is going to be the best approximation. And that was for this side. And then on this one, it's the same numbers here. This one will be the best approximation. So the zeros are at about, estimating, -3.7 and -0.3.